I'm just gonna crank the tunes. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture. Hello, man. Wait, that's the wrong one.
I'm ready.
I was just about to play the, should I just play that?
What, the Natasha song?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Michael, you want me to play the song about your girlfriend? Nah, do it later. All right. Okay. You ready?
Yeah, whatever. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. There's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Hi, sweetie.
That's right.
Okay, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Yeah, huh?
I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay.
Over here is the rock star cartoonist.
Hey, everyone. Welcome to the show.
And, yeah. So, welcome to the show. And without further ado, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Take it away, Weenie Mooshana.
Okay, hey, baby.
Baby.
Okay, that's stupid. What's going on, everyone? So nice to be back. Hey, BOOZHOO to Grassroots Indians. Gold star for Grassroots Indian, sweetie.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Grassroots gets a gold star.
James, Shuggle Bay. James is here with a silver star.
Well, good morning, James. Nino Giga Jabe.
James, what's up? Boys are back in town. You know, to everyone else, it's James, but to me, he'll always be Jimmy. Because I remember Jimmy from back in the good old days.
Really?
Nah. But I bet you there's some people who call James Jimmy. People who know him when, like, in second grade. It's like, oh, look at James walk by. He'll always be Jimmy to me. Nah. Like Jim Dunn.
Is Jim here?
Yeah, he is.
And a brown star for Jim.
Yo, what's up, Jim? Or Jimmy, as he'll always be to me. Sometimes takes Jimmy a thing. Anyway, how you guys doing? Welcome to the show. On this Abituse. We're halfway through the week, sweetie.
Once again, Abatuse, say, I got to say, Abatuse.
Do you like how I headbang to your little, children's ditty?
Yeah, you're a headbanger.
Remember the 80s, guys? You would just, bang your head. It's like we're all just agreeing. Yep, we like heavy metal. Millions of people living as foes. No. Mental wounds aren't healing.
Who am I to blame? We're going off the rails on a crazy train.
We're going off the rails on a crazy train, sweetie.
It's a crazy train.
Crazy. Yeah, yeah, but that's how it goes. When I went to school, we had 4 Jimmies. Oh, is that right? Yeah, you know what that's like. Oh, being called Mike? Yeah, we had 3 Mikes in my class. Yeah. Back in those days, there was limited number of names you could choose from. You know, these days people just make up names. Oh, or they mush names together. My name is Jalissa. Alyssa? No, Jalissa. I made it up. I knew of a lady who, she had 2 kids. And she named one Orangelo and one Lamangelo.
What?
Orangelo and Lamangelo.
Orange Jello and lime Jello.
Yep. This, another candidate for Mother of the Year. The lady who named her twins Lime Jello and Orange Jello. And then put them together and decided, yep, these are my boys. Lamangelo and Orangelo. Orangelo, you know. I want them to get beat up every day until about, 10th grade. The beatings should lay off between kindergarten and 10th grade. Somebody's going to punch both of my kids in the face for having such stupid names. Because I'm Mother of the Year. That's a true story. That really happened.
I know.
Abituse, halfway. And you got to be halfway out of your mind to name your kid Lime Jello. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not being tolerant. Yesterday when I shared our video,
Yeah.
you know, you can put a little comment on Facebook. I said, we're rated G, but we're not rated PC. We're, you know, I'm not going to say the F word, but I might say the N word. You know, because yesterday we had some drama, but, you know, who cares? I don't care because Always Learning's here. Hey, what's up, Always Learning?
Is Always Learning here?
She sure is.
Oh my goodness. BOOZHOO, me no kika shame, Always Learning.
You like that Always Learning, don't you?
I sure do.
So today, what are we going to talk about, sweetie?
Well, we were going to talk about wives and husbands.
Husbands and wives. That's right. That was the title. So back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a sacred ceremony called the wedding. And it's one of the last ceremonies that anybody takes seriously anymore. And they don't even take it that seriously. Because, you know, they'll get divorced the next day if, you know, somebody cheats on you. But in the old days, this was a sacred union. You know, families were started. Sometimes families were brought together. Wars were ended. Sometimes kingdoms would be inherited by weddings. You know, when Henry V, when he invaded France, England invades France, kills all their soldiers, and then when he makes the king hand over the crown, he says, okay, I got one more thing I want. How about this? Yeah, you know how I just invaded your land and I killed all your cousins and stuff? I also want to marry your daughter.
Really?
Yeah, remember that?
No, I forgot.
Yeah, it's in Henry V. And I think it's historical. King Henry V, after he invades France and kills all these guys, as part of the treaty, it's like, okay, we're going to come in and you guys can still live here. I want you to recognize that this, you know, no king of England, if not king of France, we're your king now for a short time. But I also want to marry your daughter. And you know what the king of France said?
What?
Okay. He said, honey, pack your bags. You're going with this murderer King Henry V. And so, Niwi de gay magun. Niwi de gay magun. Ni we de gay magun. My wife. Happy wife, happy life. That's what they say, huh?
That's what they say.
But then, of course, you can't really be a wife unless you have a Nina Bam. Nina Bam. Nina Bam, my husband. There's my husband, and there's my wife. And the two shall be one. And the union, and let no man come betwixt them. I don't know what I'm saying.
Why are you trying to talk like an Englishman?
I smell the blood of an Englishman. But yeah, it's a sacred union. So super sacred. So how come we haven't done it?
Because it's so sacred we haven't gotten around to it.
Yeah. When we film the movie, we got to do that, I think.
Really?
Yeah. Because I don't want to do a movie about us where you have a baby out of wedlock. I think that's setting the wrong message to the children. You know. Let's not make this too realistic.
Yeah, let's not make this a realistic reservation Indian movie where you get me pregnant and leave.
Yeah, no, let's not make that kind of movie. My wife, my husband. Niwi de gay magan. Ninam bam. So just a little pronunciation lesson here before we go off talking about the one that got away with Michael.
Don't pick on Michael.
You can take it. So niwi is like my. Ni is I or me. Niwi would be me, my. Digay magun is wife. So two I's is E, one I is I, niwi. And then an E sounds like an A, as in Ojibwe. Niwi digay. Two A's is an A, as in father, ma. And an A is an as in gun. Niwi digay magun. And this is why we have a video rather than a cartoon, Michael. What are you talking about? Well, you know how you used to teach words like this in cartoon form? Oh, and OJIBERISH? Available on sale at Amazon? Yeah, they know about that. Well, for anybody new here, like, Captain Caveman! Captain Caveman's here, sweetie.
No way! BOOZHOO, Captain Caveman!
What's going on? Anyway, something shiny. Man, I got ADD. So Captain Caveman, if you don't know, this is a show that we started after Michael was doing comic strips in Ojibwe. He would draw a picture of like a fish, and then he'd have a little caption say "Gegu," or "Gigu," I guess. And people start writing in saying, "Oh, these are really pretty pictures, but how do you say it?" And so we decided, you know what? Let's film ourselves pronouncing the words. And this is a good example of why we're so needed, Niji, if you say so. Niwi digay magun. It's my wife. Sometimes I get so lonely. Sometimes I get nowhere.
I've been all over the world. I've been every place.
Please be mine.
Share my life.
Stay with me. Be my wife.
Do.
Sometimes I get so lonely. If you understand what I just sang, that means you're a real David Bowie fan. Be my wife. From the Pinups album?
No, because he wrote that one.
Oh, right. I don't know where. It's kind of a stupid song, actually. And then there's Nina Bam. Nina Bam, I guess. One I is N. 2 A's is A as in father. E is an A as in the word Ojibwe. We don't say Ojibwe, huh, sweetie?
No, it's Ojibwe. It's Ojibwe. I say Ojibwe now.
E's are A sounds. Nanabim. Nanabim. Anyway. So I don't know. So anyway, sometimes people get married, and sometimes they break up. Sometimes people dump girls they really like, and then wish they hadn't done it. So they write a song. This is a song by Michael Lyons, and it's a love song called Natasha, like my weenie Mushane. Nee weenie Mushane, my sweetheart, not my wife, my sweetheart. But it's a different, he's not singing about this Natasha. It's just a weird coincidence that I should date a girl named Natasha and Michael should have written a song about a girl called Natasha, huh, Michael? Yeah, that's a crazy coincidence. All right. Miigwech Bizendawieg. And we will be return after this song.
I'm ready whenever you are.
Oh, okay. Let me just grab my guitar here.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Today we're just going to do one song. And Michael wrote it. And it's called Natasha. Who knew? Go ahead.
I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow. For all we know, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What'll we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we aren't so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I'm so sorry, I never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. But I'm so sorry, I'd never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Wow, that's a sad song. Oh, you're just so wearing your heart on the sleeves today, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, a rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Oh, anyway, I didn't mean to take that picture down. So this is Natasha. Which brings up, this is a weird coincidence, Michael. What's that? Today, the Ojibwe word of the day, Osi da Wendam. Ni osi da Wendam in Ojibwe would be, I'm sorry. Did Natasha speak Ojibwe? No. What'd she speak? She spoke English and Bengali. Bengali? Yeah, she was from Bangladesh. Is that right? Yeah, you know this. Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to have some banter with you. Ni osi da Wendam. I'm sorry. Ni osi da Wendam. I'm sorrowful. To apologize, Gagi Zom. Gagi Zom. Father, 2 eyes, E. And the O's are always long, like Ojibwe. Gagi Zom. Nin Gagi Zom, I apologize. I'd like to apologize, Michael, for laughing at your heartbreak. It's okay, buddy. Ni osi da Wendam, Weini Mushain. What are you sorry for? I'm sorry I didn't sound more excited on the phone. I'm sorry that after all these years, I left you feeling unrequited and alone. Is that Ani DeFranco? Yep, sure is. Anybody remember Ani DeFranco? Osi da Wendam, sorrowful. And to apologize. And I heard once an apology, what an apology is a release from the past. When you apologize and a person forgives you, it's like it never happened. That's why it doesn't count when somebody says, oh, I forgive, but I'll never forget. Yeah, I hate it when people say that. To forgive is to forget. Yeah, exactly. To forgive is to forget. If you remember, that means that's keeping a grudge. That's, yeah, I'm sure I forgive you, but I'm going to write this down in my journal and I'm going to pack it away. And if something like this happens again, I'm going to go, hey, you always do this. Then you didn't really forgive. Now, one of the things I love about guys. What? I'm not gay, sweetie. I just love guys for this reason. What? Men are really great at letting go. When this is my experience. When you're friends, if you ever have to apologize to your friend, if he's really your friend, he's going to say something like the one of two things. Don't mention it, or forget about it. Don't mention it. When you apologize in a real way, without any ego and stuff. And you're like, hey, man, I was way out of line. I'm sorry. Your buddy's going to say, forget about it. Don't mention it. And it'll be over, sweetie. Yep. Gagi Zom, apologize. And I think there's an art to the apology. You can't preface it and undo it. Sometimes people say this, like, it takes a big man to apologize. And I am that big man, That's not a good way to start an apology. You got to get humble. You take your hat off. You put your head down. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorrowful. Ni osi dawendam. I'm really sorry. So, Tishbite Wingspan says, I have friends from Bangladesh. They're terrific cooks. Is that right? Yeah, Natasha was, in fact, this weird thing happened yesterday. We got some negative comments on our chat. Somebody was, I don't know if it was the same person now anymore. But somebody wrote, you'll never know who we are, love. And listen to the song, She Loves You Back. I was like, what is this crazy person? And for a second I went, she called you love. How many people in your life have called you love? You mean like in that English way? Yeah, just Natasha. Yeah. English people are always calling each other love. Well, this person was like, you'll never guess who we are, love. I was like, wait, love? I know you're not from Minnesota because we don't throw that word around, We'll call you a buddy or Niji or something. Hey. Minnesota people are way too reserved. Way too Indianish to call someone, hello, love. That's an English thing. Hello, love. But, O.C. Wendam, sorrowful. It can also just be the word for when you feel bad. But they're terrific cooks, huh? Yeah, so Natasha was from Bangladesh, but she was, like the 1% of Bangladesh that aren't in poverty. And when you picture Bangladesh, it's sea of people and brightly colored saris and stuff. And everyone's poor and whatever. Except there's 1% that are super rich. That are have servants and drivers. And she was from that class. So she lived in England for a while before she came all the way out to Minnesota to go to college. And so she had some English accent stuff and would call Michael love. And he never got over that one. Yeah, I know. So, what are we gonna do about this, sweetie? You want to take a call? Yeah, sure. You're gonna call on line 2. All right, line 2. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hi, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, Megan Merkel. Well, hey, Megan. How you doing? Sweetie, it's Princess Megan. Well, hi, Megan. Hi, Natasha. What can I do for you today? Oh, I was watching your show, and you were talking about husbands and wives. Yeah, I sure was. You're married, aren't you? I sure am. I'm married to Prince Henry. How do you say my husband? He's my husband. How do you say that in Ojibwe? Okay. We say Nina Bame. Nina Bame. Nina Bame. Prince Harry is Nina Bame. He's my husband. Yeah, he sure is. And I'm his wife. I'm his, how do you say that? De game a gun. Gin de game a gun. Ningi, niwi, I'm his wife. How would I say that? Oh yeah, how do you say indigo? De game a gun, Prince Harry indigo. I don't know. Just, Quit asking me Ojibwe that I don't know right off the top of my head. Oh, that's okay. Hey, you want to talk to Harry? Yeah, let me talk to Harry, your husband. Okay. Harry, NanaBOOZHOO wants to say hello. Who's that now, darling? NanaBOOZHOO from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. All right, coming, dear. Oh, yes, hello, my dear chap. How are you, Mr. BOOZHOO? Yeah, you can call me NanaBOOZHOO. Oh, yes, hello, NanaBOOZHOO. How you doing, Prince Harry? Quite well, very good indeed. What's all this nonsense then you're talking about with my wife? Oh, I was just teaching her how to say my husband in Ojibwe. It's Nina Bame, sweetie! Nina Bame! Yes, darling, I'm talking to the man. Would you mind? How do you say my wife in Ojibwe, NanaBOOZHOO? We say, Niwi de gay magun. Niwi de gay magun. Let me tell you, sir, Niwi de gay magun is a royal pain in me arse. Hey, don't say that, Harry. Oh, darling, you know it's true. Still. Yeah, so Niwi de gay magun, my wife. Nina Bame, my husband. So how are things going in the old marriage there, Prince Harry? Oh, it's a dreadful bore, isn't it? Oh, I think it's fun. Darling, would you please? Let me talk for a while. I love it. You get to go to parties, and we get to be on Oprah Winfrey. Yeah, that's right. And you had a baby somewhere along the line. I've had 2 babies. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, that's great. Everyone should get married. Yeah, okay. Well, listen, I better get moving here. Megan, can I teach you one more phrase? Yeah, sure. I'll say it Ojibwe. This is how we say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min minawa. Gigawaba min minawa. Oh, that's great. Gigawaba min minawa. Harry! Yes, darling, what is it? Gigawaba min minawa. Yes, darling. Gigawaba min minawa, indeed. Oh, I can't believe it. All right, we'll see you. Excuse me. I got the corona. Don't joke about that. Anyway, sweetie, did you want to get up there and chat with the crew for a while? Yeah, sure, I'll go up there. Do we have another song we can play? Don't we have Heroes or something lined up? Yeah, Heroes. Speaking of David Bowie, the song is called Heroes. And it's another Michael song. And up next, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Miigwech biz and dawieg. Thank you for listening. I would be king, and you will be my queen, 'cause we're lovers, that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, that is that. Though nothing would keep us together, we could beat them just for one day. We could be heroes forever and ever. What you say? And you can be mean. Nothing will help us. Maybe we're lying. Then you better not stay. I think you should go. It's better that way. I don't know, man. I think it needs some work.
I think so. Oh, man.
And you have been watching
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
BOOZHOO! Natasha, an indigenous cause. Natasha is my name. And how you guys doing? Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yeah. Just I'd come out here and commune with nature. It's cold out here though. Pipes were frozen this morning. NANABOOZHOO had to get out the old hair dryer and defrost the pipes because we didn't have any. The pipes are all frozen up because it's winter. I mean, what'd you expect? It's called Minnesota. It's called Bemidji for a reason. That's actually what they call Bemidji-Gamug, the town we live in. In Ojibwe, it's called Bemidji-Gamug. Bemidji-Gamug Nindunjaba. Bemidji is where I'm from. But it's named after the lake, Bemidji-Gamug. And it means crossing waters. But the average person who lives up here, because it's so cold, they don't call it Bemidji. They call it Bemidji. You going up to Bemidji? I don't know. But, yeah. What are you going to do? You might as well accept it. All right, I'm going to get some tobacco. Little pinch of a Sama. Don't go crazy. Otapana niwi a Sama, Kichimanadu. Accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. Kichimanadu. Tagawi duka wishin minaway noongum. Great Spirit, please help me to speak well today. Miigwech kaiji kakina keku kaiji chike anungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kaiji wepak. Thank you for the weather, even though we're freezing up here. Miigwech for the memories. Miigwech for Wa'au Bamadazian. Miigwech Wa'au Bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Thank you for my health. Thank you for my relations. Thank you for my family. Thank you for I live. Thank you for providing for me. Thank you for protecting me from what is evil. Thank you for Miigwech Inanama Wishanang Maya Nadak. Maya Nadak. Thank you for keeping me from what is evil. Keep me from what is evil. I don't need that in my life. Whatever it is, I don't even know anymore. Amen. Miigwech Bizanawi, Gitchi Manadu.
Oh, you're very welcome, me daughter.
Well, hi, Gitchi Manadu. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Spirit. What's up, my father who art in heaven? Nah.
Oh, I'm just listening to your prayers.
Yeah, huh? You always listen to my prayers, don't you?
I listen to everybody's prayers.
So, what do I get, like 3 wishes?
I am the creator. I'm not a genie.
Oh, right. You got a good sense of humor.
I created humor, me daughter.
Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting you created everything. So, what do I have? If you guys had a question for the Great Spirit, what would you want to know? Like people, whenever somebody talks about meeting God or having a near-death experience,
they say, they always ask, what's the meaning of life? Oh, yes, I've heard that a number of times. If I had a nickel for every time I heard somebody say that, the creator would be a millionaire. Yes, he would indeed. Don't you have all the money you need? I'm very comfortable, thank you. Okay. But then you go, okay, so how would you answer? Why would you answer that? The meaning of life. Oh, the meaning? It's to get married. All right, go on. What? Wait. What do you mean by meaning? What's the meaning? To earn a living. What? To propagate the species. No. That's why I meant to make you. I don't know. So deep. Sometimes it snows in January. Sometimes I feel so sorrowful. So Osida Wendam. Gitchimanadu, should I be praying for please never let me feel sad? Why would you want to never feel sad, my daughter? Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't necessarily want that. Sometimes I don't even know what to pray for. Well, you know, just speak to me. That's good enough. All right. Sorrowful. Osida Wendam. To be sorrowful. Sometimes it snows in April. Remember that Prince song? Do I remember that Prince song? Of course. Prince is up here with me right now. Oh, that's right. Listen, you're distracting. Would you mind? Yes, my daughter, I'm going to go. I mean, I'm always listening, but I will see you again in Donis. Gigawaba min minawa, my daughter. Okay, Gigawaba min minawa, Gitchimanadu. I can't talk with him just over my shoulder. Osida Wendam. Sorrowful. Remember that Prince song? Sometimes it snows in April. Now, I wasn't the biggest Prince fan, but I grew up in the 80s, so of course, when he died, I was like, what? No, not Prince. We all love him so. He's from Minnesota. And he wrote a song that was really sad about his friend dying. And it was called Sometimes It Snows in April. And Prince died in April. And so people were like, oh yeah, we're sorrowful because Prince is gone. Yeah. But, Osida Wendam. But sadness is a weird emotion, you know? There's a certain kind of beauty in it that's not in anger. You know, when it comes to emotions, you think about when you're angry. What color is anger? You know, it's probably red, pine green, I don't know, black. The sadness is like blue and purple, maroon. You know, it's when you hear a sad song, it's usually beautiful if it's sorrowful. When I hear an angry song, I'm like, man, turn that radio station. I'm too old and too sorrowful to be angry. I don't listen to heavy metal anymore because I can't beat my head. You know, Michael's song about Natasha is very sorrowful because he wants to apologize to her. Guggy's home. There's a line in that song you might have noticed where he goes, I'd never treat you like that again. And I'm so sorry. Nikagizo. Nikagizo. I apologize. I'm sorry. Ni osita wendam. I'm so sorrowful. Because that's what I think. That's finally what I realized this morning for the first time. When you say, I'm sorry to somebody, when you apologize, you're actually telling them, I'm sorrowful. I'm filled with sorrow over what I did, what I said, what, that I hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm just a jealous guy. I was feeling insecure. You might not love me anymore. Hey, Missy's here. Wait, I don't know that yet. I'm outside. I should go home. Anyway. I should go home so I can read what the chat's going on. Or what's going on in the chat. All right. Boop, boop. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. It's me, Natasha. Hello, sweetie. Did you want me to pick you up? Yeah, would you mind? All right, hang on. I'm going to scan for your coordinates. All right, I'm locking on. Okay. I don't know why I'm looking up. What is it, like from a satellite? Yeah, that's exactly it. All right, don't move. I locked on your coordinates, and I'm going to teleport. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Hey, baby doll. Hey, how you doing? Thanks for picking me up. Yeah, no problem. So, yeah. Well, look, who's here? It's Missy. Missy's here? Yeah, she sure is. I'll tell her I said hi. Good morning, Missy. And Zagame. Bonjour, Zagame. Jim done. Always learning. No drama so far. Yep, so far so good. But you know what? We got some good advice last night, huh? Yeah, no kidding. I'm going to let anybody who says anything negative, that's cool. We're not going to ban anybody again. We may just ignore them, but in the spirit of free speech and not, censoring people, I'm going to let, somebody calls me a big fat skank. I'm just going to roll with it, okay? You can say what you like. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. It might bruise my soul, make me cry, make me sorrowful, but it'll never hurt me. Osida wendam. Nin osidwad. Oh, that's the other thing. When you say ni, like Neiman Wendam, if it starts with a vowel, you say nin. Nin. Osida wendam. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I hurt your little feelings? Oh, I'm sorry. Did you like believing in the Big Bang Theory? Nin, osida wendam. I'm so sorrowful that I ruined your little fairy tale like Christmas. I don't know what I'm talking. I don't know. I'd like to apologize. Ni gagi zom. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We're so sorry, Mr. Whoever. But we haven't had a bloody thing all day. What's another sorry song? I'm sorry, I can't think of any. I can't think of any either. So how long have we been on, sweetie? It's been 49 minutes. Oh, is that all? Do we have anybody on the line? Yeah, we got a couple. A couple? I mean, a married couple. Oh, that's good. Because we're talking about husbands and wives. Who is it? It's Michelle Obama. Oh, okay. Yeah, put her on. Line 2. Line 2. Hello, Michelle Obama. Welcome back to the show. Hey, Natasha, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. How are you, former First Lady? I'm all right. Yeah, are you? We were just talking about husbands and wives. That's right. That's why I wanted to call in. How do you say my husband in Ojibwe? Well, in Ojibwe, if you want to say my husband, you would say Ninabame. 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 That's all right. And what is that, my wife? My wife? We say, niwi dike my gun. Niwi dike my gun. All right, that's all right. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know what you're saying, Michelle Obama. How's that old husband of yours, Barack Obama? Why don't you ask him yourself? Hey, Barack, you want to be on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast? Well, dear, I'd be delighted. All right, fool, why don't you get on over here? Well, hello there, Natasha. Well, hi, former President Barack Obama. How are you? Well, I'm doing quite well. Yeah. So we were talking about husbands and wives. And so it's interesting. You guys seem to have such a good marriage. Well, Natasha, with my lovely wife and I, there are no secrets. There's no secrets, huh? That is correct. At least we have no secrets between each other. That's right, fool. I don't know. I don't care what people say. I'm not living a lie. I know you're not. I don't know why people all think you're transgender. That's ridiculous. That's right. I'm all woman. You know what I'm saying? I know what you're saying. So anyway, yeah. So, well, thanks. Anything else I can do for you guys? No, I just wanted to call in and let you know we love the show. That's right. We love the show. All right. I got to get out of here. How do you say, I'll see you again in Ojibwe? Well, we say, Gigawaba min, minawa. Gigawaba min, minawa. Okay. Gigawaba min. Gigawaba min, minawa, Barack. And to you, Natasha? Gigawaba min, minawa. Okay. So have a good day, you guys. Wow. Barack and Michelle Obama. You didn't want to call her out on being transgendered and him being gay? No, it didn't seem appropriate. Yeah. We got to keep this show, I don't want to get into any more controversies. This is the rated G show. There's nothing non-G rated about discussing transgenderism and homosexuality. Yes, there is. No, they're teaching that in kindergarten now. Well, I know, but they shouldn't. Yeah, I agree. So, what's going on? I'm getting just conservative. La-dee-da-da-da-da. Karen West. Love you guys. Well, Karen, thank you so much. Karen West loves us, sweetie. Hey, Karen BOOZHOO. Miigwech. How you doing? Welcome to the show. Jimmy Jams. Jimmy Jams, you have a great day. Jimmy Jams says have a great day. Hey, miigwech, Jimmy Jams, you too. All right. Wally Bear's back. Missy, hear about the gift bag giveaway today? We have a gift bag giveaway? Sweetie, where's that gift bag giveaway? We have a bag of money given to the first caller. Go and lines open now. And we'll close in 3, 2, 1. Well, I guess none of yous wanted our big bag of money. No. So, yeah. What else are people talking about down here? I thought Tishbite was saying something about apologies. Actually, if there's no record forgiven sins, it is not beneficial for the sinner. Recalling a person's sin or their wicked MO helps a person to prepare defense against similar attacks. Well, that's the way we think of it. Ladies like us. That's the difference between men. Men will get betrayed over and over. They don't learn a thing because they forgive. Because I think for men it's embarrassing. They don't like to see a man, emasculate himself in front of another man by apologizing. So they just don't want to, let's just pretend you never, made out with my wife. And so it'll happen over and over again. You're right. Women, you're right. We'll kind of go, yeah, yes, I forgive you. It'll take some time, but I will forgive. And I'll learn to love again. And we'll keep a little note like, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, and I'm going to slap you. No. For instance, if I forgive a person who stole from me or assaulted me after their sorrow included restitution, I'd still use caution. What if my memory lapses? Yeah. I know, but it's hard to keep a friendship, a relationship alive if you don't have amnesia to your husband or wife's many, many faults. I'm probably just speaking as like some sort of enabler. Yeah. You forgive me over and over again. See, I don't even remember that you apologize. Yep, see, you don't hold a grudge. Well, there you go. Do I really forgive you? Yeah, I'm always apologizing. No, you're not. Yep, you just don't remember. Well, there you go. Forgive and forget. Yeah, if you really forgive and forget, you won't even remember that they apologized to you. That's insane. Anywho, sunny day, la-di-da-di. Okay, so if you'd like to support the show, Michael Lyons has a Patreon page. Well, we all have a Patreon page. Let's be fair. Yeah. Where you can sign up, give us a little bit every month automatically. PayPal, you can give us a one-time tip. Buy us breakfast. We also have a Gofundme campaign. We're raising money. And Michael Lyons. We wouldn't even be here today if it wasn't for the cartoons of Michael Lyons and books like Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. Available now for sale on Amazon.com. If you love your children. If you don't hate your grandchildren. How about that? Yeah, pulling out the big guns, right, aren't you? Unless you hate your grandchildren, buy them Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. It's a very deep, very beautiful little story. But if you want your kids to grow up to be drug addicts and taking heroin and going to the bathroom outside, well, I mean, that's on you. Sweetie. What? Did you really need to say that? You're right. I should apologize. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have implied that you're a terrible person if you don't buy Michael's books. I apologize. And these have been the Ojibwe words of the day. That was perfect. Yeah. All right. You ready to mahjong? Yep. You ready to mahjong? Yep. We're going to mahjong. Maja. Leave. Majata. Let's go. All right. Well, in that case, everybody, let me say, miigwech gonna wabi egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. This is Michael Lyons. Hey, thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. Giga wabamin. Minawa. All right, buddy. One to teleport. No, I said that. Oh, right. I always do that wrong. One to teleport. Make it so. Number one.